today. In the day, win the day, we find the magical pearl.
But what if there's a big, scary shark? Oh, don't worry, Crabby. I'll swim super fast if danger comes.
Together, nothing can stop us.
I don't know if I'm ready for this. We'll be careful, don't worry. Come on, it's gonna be fun. Okay, I'll try. Watch out for the pillars. Oops, I'm stuck. Hold still, we'll get you out. See, nothing can stop us when we work together.
True. Look at these beautiful fish.
Wow, it's like a glowing path. This is amazing. Let's follow them.
The pearl must be ahead. Who's that?
It's just a turtle.
Let's play with it. Oh!
See? Even scary places can be fun.
Stay close, Crabby. Don't touch them.
Ouch! They're zappy. It's... Okay, look how beautiful they are.
This is incredible.
Uh-oh, it's huge. It's staring at us. It's staring at us.
Quick, let's get past it together.
Yes, teamwork always win.
Look, a map showing where the pearl is.
It's far away. We have to swim a long way.
Come on, team! Adventure awaits! We're getting closer to the pearl.
The current is too strong.
Hold on, I've got you. Whew, that was close.
We made it through. Let's keep going.
Stay close. It's a bit dark here. Bring it.
Something following us.
Look. Oh, wait-moi. There's a light ahead.
Here, we're almost there.
I think I see it.
Oh, it's beautiful.
We need to get it carefully. Ready? Let's do this. It's stuck. We need more force.
I'm trying. It's so heavy. Almost. We can do it together.
Oh, we did it. The pearl is ours.
Let's celebrate.
This is amazing.
Teamwork made this possible.
We're the best team ever.
Time to take the pearl back home.
Let's not get lost again. Stay close, team. We're almost there. I can see the reef. We made it. Look. The fish are guiding us. They're showing the way. Follow them carefully, team. This way, almost home. Oh, it's tight in here.
Careful.
Crabby, you can do it.
Whew, that was tricky. Great job, team. Hey, they're following me. They just want to play. Okay, this is kind of fun.
Bye, little friends. Thanks for the fun.